2021 PMAY U Awards. The 2021 PMAY U Awards were conferred at the event organized in Relic, Gujarat. The PMAY U Award for Implementation and Innovation was instituted under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, by the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs in 2019. The PMAY U was launched in 2015 to address the housing shortage in India's urban areas. It aims to construct 1.12 crore housing units by 2022. Of these, 80 lakh houses have been grounded and 48 lakh houses are already completed. This award is conferred to recognize the efforts by the states, UTs and urban local bodies towards achieving the scheme's objectives. There are 3 broad categories of these awards: State Awards, Municipal Corporations, Municipal Councils and Nagar Panchayats Awards. Special Category Awards, Beneficiary Awards. Under this initiative, a 100 Days Challenge was started to promote healthy competition among the states, UTs, ULBs. In this challenge, their performances on some predefined indicators over a 100-day period are assessed. Their performance in the challenge has 50% weightage for the award. Some of the parameters for evaluation are 100 Days Challenge, 50% weightage, implementation of the scheme, 25% weightage, outreach and transparency, 15% weightage, and institutional architecture for the scheme, 10% weightage. Who received the 2021 PMAY U Awards? The 2021 awards are the second edition of these awards. The 100 Days Challenge spanned between the 21st of June and the 30th of September of 2021. Among the states, the top performers are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu.